Welcome to Training a Neural Network to Write Eminem Lyrics. Before we actually get into the coding, and you'll be able to see me spit some bars.
Oh wait, we have a beat for you. What beat do you want?
What? I don't need a beat.
Alright.
We need to understand a couple of concepts. What is Markov modeling? Key rhyme schemes in Eminem's music, and how are we actually going to do this in code? So to start with Markov modeling, to be insanely general, there was this old guy named Markov who studied statistics, and he had conceived these processes called Markov processes, where he theorized that these processes had no memory. So he expressed that in statistics, a present action is the only thing that represents a probability of a future event. Here, let's see an example of a basic Markov process. Let's say you are sitting in front of your computer and you're so bored, so you want to watch some content. So we can model the probability of you going to Netflix, Hulu, or YouTube. So I can physically record how many times when you say you're bored, you go to each website and map the probability of your actions with transition probabilities as seen below. The 3 out of 10, the 4 out of 10, the 3 out of 10. And they all add up to 1. And that's just a key detail of transition probabilities. So now we can actually map out the likelihood of you going to a certain site by using a probability matrix. And with this matrix, we can make really insightful predictions on what is the probability of you going to a website based on your current state. Alright, now we have to go over some basic rhyme schemes. So the first rhyme scheme we have to go over is the AABB. So if you like my poem, let me know down in the comments. So we see this poem, "Thou art a frog, you shall be in a bog. Thou shalt go to space for thy ugly face." And so you see the rhyme scheme is AABB. The rhymes are in order next to each other with no spacing, and there's no skipping in rhymes. Okay, so it's a basic rhyme scheme that you would see in any rap. The second rhyme scheme is ABAB, and I think this poem is far better. "Thou art a sloth, thy is small, for trash is your cloth, so no girl will call." So we see that the A rhymes are one line apart and the B rhymes are one line apart. So the reason why we need to analyze these rhyme schemes is because when we're writing the lyrics, we're going to have the lines rhyme. And so we're going to have to teach our neural net to assign certain lines to rhyme with each other when we're writing our lyrics. So now we're going to take everything we learned about Markov models, rhyme schemes, and we're going to integrate that into our code. So what does this mean? We're basically going to use the lyrics, all of the past lyrics that Eminem has written, and feed that into our neural net. And the neural net is going to rewrite lyrics and make predictions or try to output new lyrics with the use of our Markov models. And we're going to use rhyme schemes that we embed into the neural net to make lyrics that actually rhyme in some structure. And so now let's actually get into the methodology and how we do this in code. Alright, so we load in all the text from Eminem's possible lyrics, and this is our result. And I trained the neural network for maybe 300 epochs, and this is what I got. It took about 2 hours to train just because of the size of the text file. So these are some of the bars we got. This one for the pity party. I used to be a lot of patience. That's why we seized the moment he signed me. Maybe the vocals should have been changing faces. This one's not bad, but a lot of the verbiage and syntax here doesn't make that much sense. And I don't have too much experience working with language models. But from what I can tell here, it's actually pretty good that the algorithm was able to pair up the ABAB rhyme scheme pretty well. And I'm definitely going to be working on using language models over time and try to improve my skill with them. So make sure to leave in the comment section if you like a video like this in the future. But for now, thank you guys for watching until here. I appreciate it. Have a good day. Peace.